Hello. Another element which can be used, and it's frequently used, is the move. The move program element is just only one element. So if we create a network and then we can just say move. Move, just moving the input to the output. But it's very useful when you need to move the value of input to the output in a very certain specific condition. So you put usually some logic here, and once that logic is true, just move a value of x to a tag of whatever. So it's very useful, like when you can just load some set point. You can sometime, like for example, the condition that move is very useful. The move element is very useful when you lose your set point. Sometime when you when you do like power cycle for the PLC, when you do that power cycle, all the set point that coming from the HMI or coming from SCADA usually being lost. So we usually, or in some application, we define like the safe operating points or the safe operating set points that can be loaded to the program just in case of power loss. So what we usually do is, when you lose power to the PLC and the PLC is starting up, it has fresh memory, has zero value of the set point. So the operator on the HMI can press a button. That button in that case will be that logic, so that bit value. So once he presses the button, this logic will be true. So we'll load the value which is in the input to the output, just in a pulse. So this will be a pulse, just from 0 to 1 and from 1 to 0 again in 1 second. Then it will load the value here to the output. In that case, the set point is being loaded for only once. And then the operator can change whatever the set point he needs to put in. But this, it says like a safe operating point. This is very commonly used example that usually used in many projects, just to load the safest operating point, so set point, just in case of power loss. So the move the move element had another functionality, not only moving the input to output. Usually it can be used as well as a conversion. So if you just put your mouse here, you see the input is character, byte, word, double word, integer, double integer, real, S5T time, data, time of day, and the output are almost the same. So that means you can change, you can put here any of these types and you have another value here. We can put, say, for example, if we put shared DB, we can put word and then shared DB, we put a real value. So that means I'm converting the word to a real value. So in that example, it's a type of conversion. You convert a value in a type of word to another value in type of real. So it can be used as a conversion. The move element can be used just a very simple way, just a move. So it's very, very effective. Thank you.